Oh my god. We didn't kill the phone. Oh. I'm sorry. Come on, I will put you somewhere safe. Okay? Yeah. Oh no! So fast. Please don't kill me. Please don't. Please don't. Here.
I can be driven, ambitious, your best friend, love of your life. I can be selfish, trying to be kinder, always forgetting, needing reminders, but I'll always be.
We could take the cookies like easier, but that's the first step. And we're fucking with it. Yeah.
'Cause I get
Freshen up a little and then I'll get ready for tomorrow. I might bike tomorrow to work and I don't know how it'll be. On Mondays, I usually don't go to work on Mondays, but I'm thinking I'll go tomorrow because I don't want to be at home. I have some stuff that needs to be worked on. I really need like two screens and like a lot of stuff now. Let's see if I have the courage to edit the video. This is the part of the process that I find pretty tedious. Anyways, I have big plans for tomorrow because I flaked on a lot of plans today, so to make it up. Anyways, I'll just start some edits and I'll see you guys.